All right, we just got back from the tire place where we got the tire put on. Everything's all balanced. We went ahead and cleaned all these little bearings off and everything, made sure everything was nice and neat, and we're going to get it put back on right now. Basically, you got to put the caliper on and line it into its own groove before you put the axle in. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but normally you want to do it with two people. Axle goes through. A little more? Cool. So once you get the caliper into its groove onto the rotor and this all lined up, then you put the axle through. And once you get the axle through, you want to slide the tire all the way forward. And you're going to put the chain back on. Put it on some of the teeth. And you're going to just spin it right back on. Boom. Once the chain's on, you're going to pull the tire back into place. Put the chain adjusters back in. Hit it through. And then you're going to take this side. Put that back in. It's all in place. Go ahead and put the nut on. And once that's on, go ahead and tighten this. Normally just tighten it till it's real tight, and then you got to line up the pin. Now there's a little hole that goes down through the axle right here for this pin. Normally, after you change the tire, you want to put a brand new pin in. So we got a brand new pin right here. Just take it, stick it through, just like that, and you're going to just bend the end up right into itself. I'm going to take the other side, just bend it like that. Done deal. And that tire is all done. Brand new race tire. Now, when you get on these bad boys, you want to break them in. You don't want to get on the throttle. You don't want to be crazy on them for the first, couple hundred miles at least. You got to be really careful in water. A lot of people, they'll go get a brand new tire and they'll go get on the road and they'll hit some water. And a lot of people do go down from brand new rear tires. So you just got to be really careful when you get them. To warm them up real good, you want to break them out, move the bike side to side, and once it's all warmed up, then just go have a good time. And once again, this is a Metzler Sport Tech M3. It's a real hot tire, and I highly recommend this tire.